Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this soft glam everyday beat, natural beat, you know, whatever you want to call it. I know I've been away for a long time, but I think I'm going to just do some natural hair videos, some makeup videos, some vlogs. Forget the wigs, let the wigs go, let the wigs go, let your hair breathe. I'm so excited to be doing this thorough kind of talk through makeup tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I have, what I'm using, how I use it, all that good stuff. I don't want to make the intro too long, but I mean, with this beat, how can it not be? Y'all stay tuned to the next 30 seconds. But before y'all watch this video, because y'all like to cheat me out of a video, y'all will watch the video without like, commenting, and subscribing. Go ahead and press that subscribe button. Go ahead and put that thumbs up button, and go ahead and drop a comment throughout the video if you like anything, or if you need to know where to get these products from, or anything about my makeup, or if you have anything to say, just drop a comment for me. Anyways, go ahead and watch the video. I'm just gonna start off with some lip gloss just because my lips are a little dry and we don't want that. I got my new little makeup bag that I got from TJ Maxx. I love TJ Maxx. Oh my gosh. Maxx is like my favorite little store for like little trinkets and stuff. So right now I'm gonna start with my foundation. Now I use two different foundations because my skin complexion is very tricky. Like I have some darker areas, some lighter areas, and can't really find a good foundation for my face. So first I'm gonna use this Mario Badowski, I think that's how you say it. It's a facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. And as you guys can see, I am running low on it because I use it every day on my face. So I'm just gonna spray, get a nice little mist, got my face a little wet, you know, a little. This is my primer. So then I'm going to use my foundation. So I'm going to use Juvia's Place foundation. This is a matte foundation, and then I'm going to be using Black Radiance Color Perfect foundation. So here are my two foundations. And this gives me more of a reddish tone, so I use it more in the middle of my face, just so it gives me like a pre-blush kind of look. And then the rest of this I use on my outer areas on my face. Okay, now I'm going to be going in with this e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. And I'm going to spray it a little bit with some setting spray. And then I'm just going to go in and blend my foundation. Make love to me straight up to my face. Straight up to my face. I've been down so long, they look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. Straight up to my face. Something ain't right when we talking. Something ain't right when we talking. Look like you're hiding your problems. Really, you never was solving. No, you can't sign me. You will never get to run me. Just when shit look, gotta reach out, reach back, 1-3 like 1-3. Now I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place concealer, and this is in the color 12, I believe. Yes, it's in the color 12. This is what it looks like. This will focus. This is the Juvia's Place concealer, and I'm going to be putting it under my eye, on the bridge of my nose, a little bit around my mouth area. And yeah. Young boy living like an old geezer. Release the catch, watch us pause slowly. Frat girl still trying to get in. Let it go. Okay, and now I'm about to take one of my new beauty blenders. I'm going to spray it with my water. And I'm gonna blend. My shadows waiting, coming, jump on it. And that's when they smile in my face. Hold tight, they wanna take my place. Hold tight, they wanna take my place. Hold tight, they wanna take my place. And I can tell you love is fake. So why you smiling in my face?
yes to your mama, yes to you dating me. Yes, we could be together, but you gotta wait for me.
Okay, so now that we have put concealer in the areas that we need, now it is time to contour. So for contour, I used to use this Black Radiance palette here, but this contour is way too dark and it had me looking kind of crazy. As you guys can see, I really used the heck out of that and I just don't like it. So recently I found that I had this NYX Wonder Stick. It's a highlight and a contour, and I didn't even know I had bought this. I really don't even know, but this is I guess a concealer or a light contour, and then this side is darker, and it's like the perfect shade for my contour. It's not too dark, it's not too light. It's gonna give me a nice little, you know, dimension to my face.
Fake people showing fake love to me, straight up to my face, straight up to my face. Something ain't right when we talking.
And you can't really see the color, like you can see it but you can't, but that's the good thing. You don't want it too dark. Well, I don't like my contour too dark. I like it pretty subtle. So I'm gonna use this slanted brush right here. This is just from a makeup set. I don't really know what the name of this brush is, but I'm just going to blend that out.
I can tell your love is fake, but I can tell your love is fake. That girl is a real crowd pleaser. Small world, yeah, they all know me. Young boy living like an old geezer. Release the catch, watch us pause slowly. Frat girl still trying to get in.
Okay, so now that I have done my contour, we need to define that oh, I ain't even blend out my nose yet. Hold on. I've done this before where like I didn't blend out my nose contour and walked out the house like that, y'all. I actually had a photo shoot and the freaking photographer didn't even tell me I was looking like that. It was so bad. It was just a nightmare. Alright, so after we snatched our nose, then I'm going to go in with this Morphe Banana Rich color setting powder. I got this from Ulta, and I'm going to take my beauty blender and set wherever I put concealer. Oh, that's way too far down. I don't know why that beauty blender is acting like this.
Yes, we could be together, but you gotta wait for me.
So now that I have done that, I am going to go back in with my contour brush and just define that area, just to make sure that the setting powder didn't ruin my, you know, contour. And I know you guys are probably wondering like, what the heck, she doesn't do her brows or anything. So I don't do my brows because they're so thick and I feel like I don't need to do them. I'm actually gonna go get them done a little later today, waxed. So I'm just gonna take a spoolie, I think that's what this is called, and just brush them in the area and in the way that I want them to go. Bada boom, bada bang, there we go. So then I'm gonna take a huge powder brush, a big powder brush, and just wipe away all this powder that's on your face.
Really, you never was silent. No, you can't sign me. You will never get to run me. Just when shit look, gotta reach out.
And then And then I'm gonna take this Maybelline New York City bronzer just to give my face some color so it won't look too yellowy. So I'm gonna take that same powder brush.
But I can tell your love is fake. That girl is a real crowd pleaser.
Then I'm going to be using Juvia's Place loose highlighter. This is called Nefertiti. It is a really pretty color. It is loose highlighter, so don't need too much. This is the cap. So let me see if I can show you guys the color. If y'all can see how shiny that is. So you only need a little bit, just a little. So I usually just use what's in the cap. I don't really dip into that because that's way too much. And I kind of just be messy with my highlighter first. And then I take my powder brush and kind of just like blend it out. So it's not too harsh. Okay. And for my last step, well, last step before last, I am going to do my lip combination. So for my lip combo, I'm going to be using a NYX, 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 whatever you want to call it, a matte lip liner in the color Mason, and it's a brown. You can get any brown, and I'm just going to line my lips. And then I'm gonna go in with my Morphe color. This is called Attention, and it's really pink, and it's really cute, and it's a lip gloss.
I got fake people saying fake love to me straight up to my face.
Now my lip liner isn't really showing that good, so usually, I'm about to tell you guys this little hack. Usually I use eyeshadow and a flat brush to do my liner, and I use a dark brown or like a black color, and I just pat along the outside of my lip. Basically give myself a matte lip liner but with eyeshadow.
And that's when they smile in my face. Hold tight, I wanna take my...
And that gives me more of a defined look that I want. And then I'm going to use my NYX. I use a lot of NYX products just because they're not expensive and they are still very good quality. This is my matte finishing spray. And then I fan my face so nothing drips down. And I did forget one tiny step, but I'm just gonna do like a nude eyeshadow. So I'm gonna try, I seen this in one of these girls' YouTube videos, but I'm gonna use the middle of my contour palette, and it's like a nude brown color.
Let's do it, ride it, my pony, my saddle.
I would have showed you guys how to put your lashes on, but my lashes were already on. And I'm gonna set my face one more time, just to make sure everything is, you know, in place. So that is my soft glam, very natural beats, if you want to call it that. And I had to put my little baby hairs to the back because I didn't want makeup to get on them. So everything is laid. This shirt is like everywhere. I got this shirt from Doll's Dream Boutique off Instagram. If you guys want to know, this is my updated soft glam makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And this is my everyday makeup with some not so expensive products. Very quick and very easy. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I've been down so long, you look like up to me. They look up to me.